Known for its superior durability, a thermoplastic roof can withstand Mother Nature's harshest elements, from intense sunlight to heavy rain. But like any other roofing material, it is not immune to wear and tear. When the time comes, a well-executed roof replacement or repair can extend its lifespan and save you a lot of money in the long run. Roof replacement involves completely removing the old thermoplastic roof and installing a new one. We'll assess the current condition of your roof, determine the extent of the damage, and decide whether a complete replacement is necessary. Thermoplastic roofs are relatively easy to repair due to their heat-weldable property. We can patch up small punctures or tears, reinforce weak spots or seams, replace damaged flashing. With the right tools and techniques, these repairs can restore your thermoplastic roof's performance and possibly prolong its service life.